kubor baman kesngi awan lam shapi da unang ya lam ni
Kesan dari dahulu. Zo nang detik cepat.
Ayo Mansa. Ayo. Okey, stop. Ini shoot ngam sha alik tak aku alik ting sha. Aku alik dia. Allah sedam ni. Entah aku tak. Baik bos, kita duduk berani kan? Come.
Saya nak tahu.
Experience the cloudburst we have seen in some of the projects, especially in this Himalayan regions. So we need to prepare for all these kind of events in the near future. That's why we are gathering here together so that we can be aware.
Banyo iki kubor baman kesngi subhawan subscribe ka channel unang ya lam news. Kumle shibu